Happy Monday, everybody. This is Dorian with Door Dorks Garage Door Services here in San Marcos, California. And I just want to share a fun project we just finished here in our office. So we turned this wall, which used to be drywall, we turned it into a wall and a window and a door. This is all automated by LiftMaster's new MyQ system. The MyQ system, you can control and monitor your door from anywhere. So this is telling me that even if I've left my house, I'm going to cross the country, it'll tell me how long the door's been closed, and if someone needs to get in or if I need to shut the door. That's all you do. Pardon our dust. We're still kind of in the middle of this. This is all powered by LiftMaster's side mount jack shaft operating system. Mounts to the side, so there's no overhead rail. It's helpful for storage. It's just a much cleaner looking install with a remote light. And then let's say you forget to close the door, you don't want to leave your house open, you're in a rush to get the kids to school. You just look back on your phone, you say, man, I don't remember if I closed my door or not. It tells you it's been open for how long. You push it. Back at the ranch, you're going to have a warning thing just in case someone does happen to be in the garage. And that's it. That's a fun little project we've done for a few people now. We convert their office space into an open air area for them so that they can kind of enjoy the best of both worlds. Hey, thanks for visiting Door Dorks, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys out there.